Hey, how you doing, everybody? This is Mike Robinson, and I'm gonna try to be brief and bring a video to you once a day, starting today. And I might drop a couple of videos, and I'm gonna try to keep them under 3 minutes, between 3 and 5 minutes. Um, I'm really excited about this company. I've been with the company for 2 years now, and they're solid, 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 solid. I'm purposefully attempting to talk slowly and clearly because I have a tendency to get um, very passionate about wealth building, uh, about inheritance building, and about um, people in my community. So, with that said, what I want to share with you today, we're going to start off here. If you were to go to my website, which would be um, this minus the country and a forward instructions. So it would just be 7kmetals.com/, going for gold. Now, for those of you that don't know, uh, that is not only my username, but it's also the extension on my replicated website. So whatever name you choose as your username, that will be the name / after your replicated website. Okay, so that's how that goes. So choose your username wisely. Now, these are the four countries right now. We're about to add Singapore, um, probably before the end of this year. And so if you live in any of these countries, Canada, England, Australia, and of course the United States, you can operate this business presently. There will be further expansions. I'm sorry, going forward, um, i.e., Singapore before the end of the year, most likely. So yeah, so let me just sign in, and I just want to show you what's really going on here. And this is probably going to go longer than 3 to 5 minutes. So let me not even fake the funk. All right, so okay, this is my dashboard, and as you can see, the first thing that I see is the spot price for gold and silver. Okay, that's the first thing that comes up. Below that, some other information, what's on my left team, what's on my right team presently. But what I want to really get into today is because I think a lot of people aren't understanding what this company 7K Metals is attempting to build. Um, Coming from one of the founders' mouths during a webinar, um, it was made clear that this company uh, has been built from the ground up, destined to become a $1 billion company. Okay, um, along the lines, and this is my personal opinion, uh, along the lines of companies such as Amazon, Google, Facebook, uh, Netflix. So not that they all have $1 billion caps right now. I'm not sure if Netflix does or not, but in any case, you get my drift. These individuals, the founders of this company, they're not amateurs. They're not playing games. I'm not going to get into a whole lot of the details because you can research that on your own. I have a YouTube channel, and I've said all of this stuff already. They're debt free after less than 4 years of being in business. A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, et cetera, et cetera. Okay, but what I want to share with you today is what's going on in real time. Now, this company has a proprietary software um, which is allowing them to allow us as members. And that's what this is. It's simple. It's a membership club. This is not a pyramid scheme. This is not your daddy's MLM. This is the 21st century um, pairing um, membership club that uses a pairing um, compensation plan. Okay, and that's what they've chosen to call it. It's a pairing compensation plan because that's all we're doing. We're moving memberships, and we have two legs. That's it, left and a right. So it's a pair. Um, it's real simple. It's a membership club, no different than Costco, no different than BJ's. The difference being, though, is that our product is gold and silver bullion and also gold and silver numismatic coins. Okay, so that's our product. Okay, it's not a digital product. It's not lotions and potions. No disrespect to anybody's business. I'm just telling it like it is. Our product is real money. Our product is gold and silver bullion and numismatic coins. And the store is open 24/7, 365. Anybody can go into my 7K Metal store just by clicking my link and purchase from my site any day of the year, any time or hour of the day. And I don't need to know about it. So that's one perk of membership. But the one I'm really, really excited about and that, I want to share with you is this Sound Money wallet. This is the game changer, people. This is the one that's people are sleeping on. I'm trying to tell people, wake up. All right. So let me make this real clear how this goes down. Okay. Now, I did a video recently where I showed I had some currency in my 7K Metals wallet, my Sound Money wallet. When they turn the flip, when they flip the switch on, I had some cash in my wallet already, and what they did is they just threw it into my Sound Money wallet. Okay, it was $4.02. This right here. Okay, what I did when they put it into cash is I said, well, let me see if the system works. Now, what is the system? This proprietary software allows me as a member, and you need to listen to what I'm saying real clearly and real carefully. Okay, it allows me as a member to take cash, which is an asset, right? Take the cash and transfer it in real time, in seconds, milliseconds, into physical silver or physical gold. The software calculates the quantity, which is then put into a non-segregated uh, allocation of metals, right? Because that engine has to be fluid. All right, so that's the bullion side, right, which allows the software to be able to exchange cash for the metal, whether it be gold or silver, because that engine operates in a non-allocated pool of metal. Okay, I'm trying to keep this a little bit light. Okay, so I did that and I purchased silver, right? The equivalent of $4.02 in silver. That's this transaction right here. See, 14, moved the cash into silver, right? First the cash went into the wallet, then I moved the cash into silver. Boom, that's this, all on the same day. And this was what it came out to. Our software calculates 6 digits down, okay? Bitcoin is 8 digits past the period. Okay, so it's 0 point and then 8 digits. This software allows them to break down, I guess, an ounce of gold, uh, 6 digits um, south of uh, whatever the smallest unit is. Okay, so that's how that works. Now, mind you, I want to show you no fee, no fee for any of these transactions in my wallet. No fee, no fee, no fee, no fee. No fee. Well, this one is still no fee, and this is simply telling me what the unit price was when they transferred it into my wallet. Okay, awesome accounting here. All right, and recently I just moved because we just added another functionality to the wallet, whereas I don't have to go to my bank, thank God, especially due to COVID-19. I don't even know if my bank is open. I can't even remember the last time I was in my bank. Um, but this allows me to basically the software which we've now adopted to the back end of this wallet, this Sound Money wallet and vault system is Plaid. Um, you can go to YouTube and find out about Plaid, but it's basically a shy of $5 billion software or acquisition that Visa made of the company called or that created the software they call Plaid. It's basically an integration between the bank and and fintech companies, okay, financial tech companies, right, which 7K Metals is. And what they do is they basically take um, the due diligence that the company has. This is my understanding of what's going on. They take the due diligence because 7K knows who I am, right? They have all my documents. They know who I am. So they make that available on the back end, right, through the API, I guess, to the Plaid software. The Plaid software then talks to my bank, right, shows the validations, who this person is. So I don't have to talk to my bank for this to happen. The bank releases the ACH, which normally a person has to go into a bank to do, right? They release the ACH, which you can see here, right, paying via ACH, right? So they take the money out of my bank account, and you can see here it says external funds, so it shows it's coming from an external source, and it comes into my wallet. It was pending for 4 days, and it dropped today, the fifth day. Now, keep in mind, the 29th was a Saturday. There's no banking on Saturday and Sunday, so that's 2 days, right? So if you count Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, today being Friday, 10:46 a.m., that's not bad. That's not bad. And I didn't have to go to my bank to have this done. Okay. All right. So what kind of assets do I have now in this wallet? I presently have $100, right? In cash, $5.22 in silver bullion, okay, which I can do whatever I want with, okay, and which started out as $4.02. So already that's a 25% gain, all right, in real wealth, okay, not paper wealth, real wealth, silver, okay, physical bullion, all right. And as you can see, the pie chart here, right? All right, so total value. Now, I'm doing this because right now the numbers are low. Now, I want to show you something else. If you remember when I started the video, I showed you the first thing I see. Well, let me just go back. I'll just show you. Remember these two, 2021.67 for 1 ounce gold eagle and 32.24. If I go back to my dashboard, I'm going to show you the difference between spot price and what I get when I sell my bullion, if I decide to, back to 7K metals minus a small fee. You can see quite a difference between 2021, which is spot plus premium, and what spot is, what you get on the market, Comex. You go to your jewelry store, they're going to give you spot minus their fees. So as you can see, even again, dealing with 7K metals, membership has its privileges. I'm getting, when I sell back to 7K, spot plus premium. All right, so I just wanted people who watch this video to understand that, okay, what's going on here, okay. And the benefits go on and on and on with 7K. But anyway, you can see the difference between the prices. This is what I'm selling back into if I decide to sell, which I would never do right now. Um, but yeah, okay. So let's go back here. All right, here we go. So now I just wanted to make this video. We're 14 minutes in, just to show you what's happening. And I'm getting ready to make a transfer to a associate of mine, and I'm gonna tell you, give you a small sample of what's going on here. And you can, if you can't connect the dots for yourself, please email me and ask me questions. Okay, the email will be at the bottom of this video. Um, I love chopping it up with people who are serious about their lives and creating income and wealth appreciation and an inheritance uh, for their children and children's children. I love talking to people like that, you know. So by all means, email me and you know we can chop it up. So anyway, yeah, one of the gentlemen that are in my downline, uh, he right now is one of his things that he does is drive a cab, and he recently took me to a function, and he didn't ask me for any money. I mean, being in my downline, I asked him, you know, what do you want, and he said nothing. And you know, these are the type of people, you know, I go to bat for. You know, these are the type of people I go to bat for. But regardless of the fact that he didn't want anything, I'm going to send him cash, a little love offering, uh, via this payment rail, and that's what I want you people to understand. This is a 21st century payment rail. Okay, the code has been cracked. Okay, people can now buy and sell and save physical gold and silver. All right, and spend physical gold and silver because all of this can be converted back into cash. The silver and the gold, when they start to accumulate, can be converted back to cash and easily sent back to my checking account as easily as probably more easily going back in than it did coming out. Okay. Um, so yeah, so I'm going to send them a love offering and I'm going to do it with this transfer. Okay, let's see now here. Now, I'm showing you this because you need to know that this system is secure. This is linked to uh, Google Authenticator, and all I have to do is open up my phone, tap Google Authenticator. It gives me a code that's attached to Sound Money, uh, and I put the code in here and click here, Save Changes, and boom, it opens up another aspect of my wallet, which will allow me to send uh, any one of the three assets, cash, gold, or silver. And when I say gold, I mean physical gold and silver, not not paper contracts, you know, that you get when you trade commodities. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about physical gold and silver that's vaulted in my name. I can move to any member anywhere around the world who has a 7K metals Sound Money wallet. Okay, now I hope you're hearing me, people, because people are sleeping this. I got people in my family sleeping this. I got people in my church sleeping this. And I'm just putting it out there. I'm not holding back anymore because people need to wake up. You can send physical gold, physical silver in any denomination, 6 decimal points past the zero, right? Decimal spaces past the period, right? The point, 0 point, now 6 spaces. Any breakdown there, anywhere in the world, I could be in New York, send currency or an asset to somebody in Australia, the Philippines, Fiji, Canada. It doesn't matter. As long as they have a wallet, I can send an asset to them in whatever denomination I choose. Any time of the day, any day of the week, any week in the year. That's what's going on here. For $100 membership or $200 membership, but if you're broke, we can get you in for $100. Okay, the lowest membership for someone who's not broke is $199 per year. This is not per month. And then your cost to have your own, in essence, mobile bank on your hip, right? It's on your phone, right? Is roughly between 116 or 112 really was my last monthly autosaver cost. I'm gonna keep it 100 with you. Okay. So if you're not broke and you can afford roughly $30 a week or 112 to 116, that's what it averages right now, a month, you can be wealthy beyond your imagination. Okay. But you're going to have to stop being scared and thinking that every program that you see come online is a scam. It's just ridiculous. Do your due diligence, do some homework, do some study, find out what's going on here, and then join my team and let's create some wealth. Okay. So anyway, I'm going to stop it here, just shy of 20 minutes, and I'm going to send this brother some currency, a love offering, and I'll be at you guys probably Monday with a new video, and let's get on with it, man. Let's get on with it. Let's have a Merry Christmas after all this nonsense this year. Let's have a Merry Christmas. Let's create some currency and have a Merry Christmas and bring in 2021 with a bang. Okay? Peace. God bless. I'm out.